Hi, my name is Ben Stewart, and Stephen Brandon and I worked on the training automation platform. This was a project designed to improve content, tracking, and scalability of our current learning management system. So how are we doing now? Currently, our tracking consists of a laundry list of Confluence links that go on forever. The training plan and pages are scattered all over EAC and amount to an unmanageable mess of information. As a new hire, that can kind of feel like you're getting link slapped. So why is this important? Well, you never get a second chance to make a first impression. As a company that creates software to maximize the efficiency of teams, I think we can do better. We currently don't have any unified method of tracking a trainee's progress or the improvements we make to the training documentation. We often have to rely on memory to determine how long a training takes. And if you can't measure it, you can't improve it. And I know this is an overused business adage, but I think it holds true here. What if I told you we build software that can help? We moved all of our current training into Jira issues, estimated the amount of time it would take to complete each issue, and organized the training with a relative due date based on the new hire's start date. All of the issues are split into various components like product and non-technical. Components are assigned a lead to maintain and update the content of the training. Anyone can go to the C4L Training Hub and click Schedule Training to get to a web form that will easily create all the issues for a given training path. Here we can enter the trainee's name, mentor, product, role, and start date. Issues will automatically be generated in EACJ based on a predefined training path configuration stored in YAML files. TAP will schedule due dates for all the issues relative to the start date and is even smart enough to skip weekends. Now we can see all 106 individual tasks and subtasks that were created. If we query for just the tasks, you can see 21 top-level modules or buckets of knowledge. If we go and explore the Java training module, we can see it has 2 subtasks with an estimated amount of time and due date that is calculated based on the start date and the path configuration file. Going into a subtask, we can log work, start progress, and finally change the status to in review so that our mentor knows it's time to go over the material and check for understanding. Once the training is created, a new hire can go to the training dashboard and see all of the modules due today and in the coming week. We also have a global queue sandbox which will contain mock SAC tickets in which mentors respond to the trainee as if they were the customer. This will help us gauge the soft skills and knowledge of the new hire before they begin to respond to real-life customers. Atlassian already has an automation system called OshardBot that generates tickets in EACJ when a new hire comes into the company. This can be for things like allocating laptops or notifying the experienced team a new hire is on the way. Since TAP has its own REST API endpoints, we can leverage that bot to automatically create training plans. This way, team leads no longer have to even lift a finger to fill out a web form.